Guys, what's up? Today I'll be doing a little something different. So, today I'll be teaching you how to do square roots. If you're in 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, this is a great video for you because I'm going to a new school. I have a test coming up which has square root, and I'm completely new to square root, but I know a little bit, and I can share the information I know with you. So let's begin. Basically, square root is two numbers. Sorry, it's a little hard to write with a pen. Two numbers that are multiplied together. So what is the answer? 36. So again, I apologize for the bad handwriting. It's a bit hard to use the mouse, Here, look. Okay, so if you know exponents, they're a bit like this. We will write 6 times 6, 2 equals the same answer, 36. 6 times 2 is basically 6 times 6. So let's begin with square roots. Let me just quickly erase this. So example, um let's say okay, first I'm going to explain the sign. This is called the square root sign, or the root sign, or the radical sign, short rad, but it's called the root sign or the radical sign. But this is called, sorry, my handwriting is a bit confusing, I know. This is called the division sign, or the, yeah, the division sign. So do not mix these up. This is different because the radical or the root sign has a check mark, and this is different because look, these are different because this has this sign, a curved sign. So let's say if let me erase this quickly. It's so hard to erase on this whiteboard. This is basic, yeah. So let's say we have the square root of 36. Square, we know that 6 2 is 36 because 6 times 6 equals 36, and uh, and 6 times 6 in exponent form is 6 2. 36 square rooted is 6 because we need to find two numbers. This will be divided into two numbers, or you can just do it without the prime factorization. Let me teach you without the prime factorization first, and then we can get to the prime factorization part of this. So this is 6 because we need to find two numbers that which are the same and also equal to 36. So 6 times 6 equals 36. Those are same numbers and also equal to 36. And that is why 36 square rooted equals 6. Now another way to do it is also, I think, this is another way to do it, which is prime factorization. So again, let's take 36. If we prime factorize it, if you know this, if you're in grade 5 of grade 4, it will become 6 times 6. I know you can prime factorize it more, but I like to stop there because I know those are the same numbers that will do it. If you prime factorize these anymore, it will become 3 times 2. These are prime numbers. These are prime numbers, but are not the same and do not equal to 36. Same with this. So I like to stop right on 6, 6. So that's another way. But just remember the first way I told you. Yeah. So we need to find oh, again, two numbers that are the same and also equal to the number in the radical sign or the root sign. Now what if a number comes, for example, what is the square root of 32? Now this is, let me actually give you a better example. What if it comes, what is the square root of 72? First, because there are no numbers in any table which are the same and equal to 72, we will prime factorize it like this. 2, this is 2, and this is 36. And we'll prime factorize 36 into 3 and 12. And we'll factorize 12 into 3 and 4. And we'll prime factorize 4 into 2 and 2. So then we will take all the prime numbers in this. So we will actually replace the 72 by 2, which is this. I'll actually circle all the prime numbers for you guys. This number, and this number. So we'll take, actually let me make this a little bigger and make it on top of here, so I actually have other space to do my work. So let me do this. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Please excuse my handwriting, I am not doing good because I am using a whiteboard on my computer. So how will I do this? This looks way more complicated than this, right? So now, because it's a square root, we will put a little 2, or just to make it simpler, we'll put a little 2 to remember it is squared. So we will find pairs that are the same numbers, 3 and 3 and 2 and 2. And we will make these single numbers over here into here. So we'll draw this sign again. Please, yeah, I need a better whiteboard, don't I? Yeah, so we'll take these pairs here and make them into single numbers. 2, this one, times 3, this one. And the single 2 here, which is missing, will come right in the square root. And that is basically 2 times 3, 6. And this is 2. So that is basically the simplified form of square root. Yeah. Now, let's look. Uh, yeah, let me erase it real quick. Sorry. Okay. So now let's see. Now let me explain exponents, because exponents is a very important part in square root. If a number is, for example, let's see, 2 times 2, that will become, because there are two 2's, that will become 2 2, because there are two 2's, so that's called an exponent, and this is called a base. Yeah, so if it's, for example, 2 times 2, sorry, 2 times 2 times 2, then it will be different, because there are three 2's. We will place 2 cubed, 2 3. That's again the exponent, and this is the base. So guys, that's it for this video. Not that's it, but that's it for the prime factorization. That's for the squared root. Yeah, so I hope you guys understood this video and enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on how to do something else, I am terrible. So if you guys have any questions, just type in the comments section below and I'll answer those questions. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys come in my next video. Bye bye.